So we have trouble regarding with our telegraph system. So in this trouble, it is indicating we have a telegraph system communication failure. In this case, I have to make a lamp test if there is a response to the order indicators, and I can see here there is no response to the order indicators. In this case, we can only maneuver to the engine control room main panel. The bridge control is out of service. And if you can see here, even if the selector switch in stop position, still it is giving full order indication. As per alarm given, we have the problem between the RCPU unit and the bridge control box. Now let us check this troubleshooting guide from the ship's manual. This is the bridge control box terminals, and we will check for any voltage input on this control box. And I am measuring here TP1 and TIN1 if we will measure a 24 volt supply, and 24 volts is present. Because voltage is present, I just tried to reset the engine telegraph system circuit breaker. And this is the result. So the alarm was gone, but turns back after a few seconds. In this case, I will check again this whole diagram or the black diagram if there are any cables that are loosened. And it was confirmed that there are no loose cables. And now I am suspecting that there is already a problem with the board. So the board was delivered through helicopter because this is an urgent matter. And this is the new board. So we will replace the old one, and let us check if the bridge control will work again. And after the board replacement, so we can see here there's no more alarm, and we will do the lamp test again, and we can see here all the lamps are now working. And now let's proceed to test the main engine. Ahead, long press, and now it's working.
Beautiful.
Yeah, perfect. No alarms in here.
Stable natin sa bridge control.
This is from engine control, and you have to stop.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's working again. And this is the RPS make to 0. So the next command will be astern. So you will just follow this slide. And now it's in astern. The engine kicks, and astern is working. Okay.
Okay, stop.
No alarms. You just follow because they are ordering stop. And now let us test on bridge control. Please accept. And now it's here in. Bigyan ng speed limit, sir, yung ano? Yung
speed limit, bigyan niya yung speed limit. Mag-testing kami dito.
Okay, ready to start. Bridge control.
Okay,
Okay, check.
natin dyan, ilan? go ahead kami ah.
Okay, now in bridge control, let's go ahead. Okay, now let's go ahead. And the engine kicks. Okay. Okay. Sige, stop. Okay. Perfect. Very nice. So problem was already solved.